Hey everybody, what is up? It is me Timothy, and doing day 2 of showing this haze that we're getting from the wildfires from Minnesota and Canada. On Friday, July the 17th, 2026, it's not that bad out today. Now, yesterday, you could smell the smoke in the air, but today you smell it a little bit, but not much like you did yesterday. But still, you know, if you got a mask, wear it. But it's not too bad out today. It's kind of a light one. But still, you could tell how hazy it is still. Now, how about where you're at? Is it the same? Let me know in the comment box down below. And you can't even see any blue sky up above. Or see that sun. But yeah, this is what it looks like today. Now yesterday, man, you couldn't even see the whole road over there. But today you can. It ain't like picking like it was yesterday. I know a lot of events been called off due to all this. How about where you're at? Have they called off a lot of events? Let me know in the comment box below. But yeah, I'm in the downtown area of Battle Creek, Michigan. That's Kellogg's Foundation or something that's there. Kellogg owns that building. Hey, you could see that's old Ralston Purina. You could see it through the haze. But yeah, you know, you can't smell the burning, like the smell of the fire, like you did yesterday. It's kind of lightened up some. That's one good thing. I think today's going to be the last day of it. But yeah, it's showing you day 2 of it. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But until my next video, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. And this vlog is over.